Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to add item condiment food preparation mapping. Let's get started. Hit the menu button, Create New Item button. Select the Item button option. Hit this button for item list selection. Double-click the item. Condiment option. Increase the number of choice become 1. Give a sub-page name for this menu button. Increase the button height. Increase the font size. Saved it. Hit the item. Now you are at new sub-page screen. Create All Condiment Item button. Select the Item button option. Hit this button for item list selection. Look for item condiment code. Double-click the item. Increase the button height. Increase the button width. Increase the font size. Saved it. Create the rest all the condiment item buttons. Select one of the condiment item. It is done. Once you fulfill the number of choice condition, system will flip back to previous screen. Now duplicate the for next button. Saved it. Hit the item. Compulsory to select one of the condiment items, else system not allowed exiting this screen. It is done. This time, I'm going to duplicate same button. Tick the choices are optional checkbox. Saved it. Hit the item. Since you choose the optional, all function button is available at this moment. Now hit the top page button. Let's practice. Choose any of the main course you entitled to select 1 dessert, 1 starter, and 2 side dishes. First, you must understand once you choose any of the main courses, you must able to flip into dessert page compulsory to choose one of the desserts. Here's the main course button setting. Select this main course item. Compulsory setting required to choose one of the items from this dessert subpage. Main course button mapping is done. Next, continue select this dessert item. Compulsory setting required to choose one of the items from this starter subpage. Here's the dessert button setting. Select this dessert item. Compulsory setting required to choose one of the items from this starter subpage. Dessert button mapping is done. Finally, continue select this starter item. Compulsory setting required to choose 2 of the items from this side dishes subpage. Here's the starter button setting. Select this starter item. Compulsory setting required to choose 2 of the items from this side dishes subpage. Starter button mapping is done. Here's the side dishes button setting. Since is the final selection level for item button, just do a normal item mapping only. Set the 0 for number of choice. Leave it blank at subpage field. All buttons and all level subpages are in place. Let's go and test it out. Hit the menu button. Hit one of the main course. Select one of the dessert. Select one of the starter. Choose 2 of the side dishes. It is done. 1 main course, 1 dessert, 1 starter, and 2 side dishes. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.